Hello, in this video I want to show you how to remove mobile data warning from Samsung Galaxy M15. To do this, first we'll need to open our settings. Inside, look for the connection, which should be right here. Click on it. Then navigate to the data usage. Inside, you should be able to find billing cycle and data warning. And right here you can find set data warning that it can be deactivated. Make sure it's grayed out like this. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.